Guys, in this video I will show you how to add Twitch link to TikTok bio. Firstly, go up and select the link that you want to add it to your TikTok bio. For example, we'll go just with selecting the main page to getting to the twitch.com. I will go for these three dots and I will go for copy link. Now the link has been copied and I will get back to my TikTok and I need to go to my profile section and going to edit profile. Now before you go to edit profile, you need to get back and go on the three dots, go for settings and privacy and manage account. Here you need to make sure that your account is a business professional account. If it's not a business professional account, you need to switch it to business account, or if it's like this one, switch to personal account. That means that everything is okay and you can add Twitch link to your TikTok bio. Now get back and go to your edit profile and just go for website. In here on the website side, you need just to delete this one side and go for paste and just go for save. And that's it, guys. Now with this you can just click on it and get up to your link on Twitch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.